Imagine editing your next video and realizing that you're missing the one perfect sound effect. So you spend hours digging through sketchy royalty-free sites only to find garbage. Well, what if you could just type in what you want and an AI makes it for you instantly, for free? In this video, I'm putting PopPop AI's free sound effects generator to the absolute test. Is it a game changer for creators or just another overhyped AI tool? Let's find out. So this is the free AI sound effect generator. You can also see that if I scroll down, there are most popular sound effects, and you can kind of click on those and then even explore all categories. You can generate special AI effects in any different category here and all the way down here to the bottom. Here's just an explanation of how to do it, as well as FAQs on this. I'm going to come back up to the top, and just as an example, I'm going to say broken glass, and then click generate. And after a few moments, I have a couple of choices. Let's just listen to them and see what they sound like. Okay, let's try this one. I think that's the one I like, and that's the one I'm going with. Listen, if you got some value out of this video, do me a favor and drop a like, and also subscribe so you won't miss any future tutorials. Now go make something cool, and I'll catch you next time.